Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. I hope you have revised everything learned in previous lesson. Just keep watching the videos and keep learning them, alright? Now let's begin with our today's lesson. Let's learn counting. We have already learned counting from 1 to 18 in Urdu. Now let's learn 19 and 20 in Urdu. In English we say 19 and in Urdu it is 19. 19, 19. Then we say 20 and in Urdu it is 20. 20, 20, 20. Let's repeat one more time. 19, 19, 20, 20. Repeat and revise, okay? Just count from 1 to 20 several times, okay? Now let's learn about the parts that are on our head, the body parts. First of all, let's see how to say head in Urdu. Well, this is a head. In English we say head and in Urdu it is sar. Sar. Head. Sar. Let's learn to say eyes in Urdu. In English we say eyes or eye. In Urdu it is aankh. If we are talking about one eye, we say aankh, and we are talking about eyes, then we say aankhein. Okay? So eyes, aankh. Then we say nose. In English we say nose and in Urdu it is naak. Naak. Nose, naak. Then in English we say lips and in Urdu it is haunt. 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 Lips. Haunt. Let's repeat all one more time. In English we say eye and in Urdu it is aankh. Then in English we say nose and in Urdu it is naak. Then in English we say lips and in Urdu it is haunt. Repeat many times for better practice. Okay, now let's learn a few more. In English we say ear and in Urdu it is kaan. Ear, kaan. Then in English we say hair and in Urdu it is baal. Hair, baal. Let's repeat one more time. In English we say ear and in Urdu it is kaan. Then in English we say hair and in Urdu it is baal. Repeat and practice well, okay? Alright, now let's ask and answer. Oh, look at this picture. What is this? Well, in English we ask and say, what is this? And in Urdu it is ये क्या है? What is this? ये क्या है? And the answer is this is a nose. Of course, we sometimes just reply and say nose. That's fine. But because we are practicing, so say the full sentence, okay? This is a nose. And in Urdu it is ये नाक है. ये नाक है. Now let's repeat one more time. What is this? And in Urdu, ये क्या है? The answer is this is a nose. And in Urdu, ये नाक है. Repeat and practice well. Alright? Okay, so here this is the end of our today's lesson. I will see you with next lesson inshallah. Till then, watch the lesson, repeat and revise many times. Remember in your prayers. Take care. Allah Hafiz.